Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm just gonna do a quick kiss press-on tutorial. I got this at Dollar Tree. You already know my fave. So Kiss is honestly the best brand of press-ons that I've used thus far. I don't think I did do one before, but not like a full tutorial. So I'm gonna give you guys a good one. And these are short, which I love, and then simple 3-step procedure that will just help you make these nails last 7+ days. So it's a nice cute purple. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to cut, clean, and prep my nails off camera for you guys, okay? Alrighty, so I finished cut, cleaning, and prepping my nails off camera for you guys. So as you can see, I set aside the nails that I'm going to use for each finger, and I'm just testing it to see, make sure I have the right fit for each finger as well. And as you can see, my glue was acting up, so I had to like quickly do that off camera real quick. So I'm just gonna finish gluing on the rest of the nails. I don't know what was happening with my glue. Like, I think it was running out or something. Like, I was struggling, y'all, okay? But just work with me. See, I got it. Make sure you do 1 dot to your finger and 1 dot on the actual nail, and then press. I use a wooden stick, as you guys know, to just get that extra glue out of my way so that I don't get it on my fingers, because I hate when my fingers stick together. And yeah, so I know you guys see the tops look a little bit rough, and I'm gonna make sure I file that down for you guys as well. All right, so I'm gonna get into my left hand. It's always a little awkward to do it with my left hand because I don't know, I've been trying to show y'all, but I've been trying to block the camera, and then I just end up blocking the camera anyway. But you guys get it at this point. You know, it's very repetitive. So simple. Glue on the nail, glue on your finger, and then boom, press it on. Okay. Like I said, Dollar Tree also sells nail glue. So I'll definitely be getting me a new one because that one is not working or is running out. So yeah, like, see that at the top of that thumb? It's gonna be filed down. And yeah. So yeah, like I told you guys, a few of the tops are a little rough because you see they have those numbers or whatever it's called, little thing there. So I always just file it down a bit, make sure it looks even, nice and clean. So I'll just file and buff it really quickly, and then it should be good to go. Alrighty, so once you finish filing them down, this is what it should look like. This is my left hand, I think. I don't know. And that's my right hand. Yeah, that's my right hand. Looks pretty good, you know. There go my other hand. See, I got glue on my fingers, but like I said, it does come off, so no need to stress. But thank you guys once again for watching, taking a quick look. Go get you some Dollar Tree press-ons, okay? Save $1 or $2. Have a blessed one. Bye.